like how we have shorthands and other properties like border, we also have a shorthand for background. So for background, this is a shorthand obviously, but there is an order that you have to maintain, which is the background color. Okay, I'm going to say the background color is light blue. Then the background image. Then I have to say whether background has to repeat, no repeat, all such information. So I'm going to say no repeat to this example. Attachment, I'm saying fixed here. So you could give any attachment value, scroll all that. So even for the repeat, you could give any repeat values. So the order of this is basically the order of the properties. So finally, the background position. So which I might say right top. I'm gonna disable this. So color, then the URL of the background image, and whether to repeat, not, and the attachment, whether it is fixed or scroll, and finally the position. So you got the background image, you got the background color, the right top, and it is fixed. So you got all that with this small shorthand.